Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Why do we say that? Welcome back to my channel. Anyway, it has been a long time. Like when I started this YouTube channel, I had no idea that it would take this much dedication, but I'm back. And you probably could tell by the title of this video what we're doing today. We're doing a luxury unboxing. Here we go again. Okay, so I've had these items for almost a week now, but I have been waiting to open them because I wanted to do a filming for you guys.
I got you something.
What, Lon? My daughter just came in. Thank you. Okay, close the door. I'll be done in a second.
We did talk around it.
Alright, thank you. I'll eat them in just a second. Close the door.
My would be you.
Close the door.
Okay.
So I have a couple of things for you guys today to open and share with you. And I'm pretty sure everybody knows what these orange boxes are. Louis Vuitton. And this unboxing is so special to me, you guys, because these are not hand-me-downs from my sisters or mommy daddy coins. I saved up to buy these things for myself, so it's dear to my heart. And without further ado, let's open these boxes.
Hold up. Lotus flower bound firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
I really hate to mess up the wrapping because everything is like super pretty. But we're just gonna start from the top and work ourselves down. First thing that I have comes in the little dust bag, whatever, and it is the round coin purse. Did I need it? No. Did I want it? Yes. So it looks like this. It has a small little lining of the cheddar on the very bottom, the gold zipper, all that good stuff, and it has the brown inside lining. I think it's the tag and all that good stuff on the inside. Date code and all that in there. So I'm really not going to go into detail with these items. I'm going to try to move it by really fast because I'm anxious to play with them and to, you know, get all my stuff on the inside of it. So if you're looking for a more detailed unboxing or the description of the items that I'm showing you guys, then give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, or let me know what you guys want to see. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll get to you. I am not going to be sharing prices with you guys because I don't have time for the judgment. Most of you wouldn't understand. You guys spend your money on shoes and clothes. I like designer bags and nice things, so that's what I choose to spend my money on. But I will leave links and everything to all the stuff that I have today down below in case you guys are interested in checking it out. Just click the link and it'll take you directly to the Louis Vuitton site. That's where I got all of my stuff from. I live about 3 hours away from the nearest Louis Vuitton store, so ordering online was the way for me, and everything was tax-free, so it saved a little coin while you're at it. So we got that first thing out of the way. Oh, I also have all of the receipts of everything that came today, and I probably will be keeping all of this with the boxes and the dust bags. So the next thing that we have here, let's get her open here. Dust bag. The 6-ring key holder. And I got this in the Demir Ibn print because I didn't really like the mono. And you'll see why later why I decided on this print. It has a little gold button on the front. When you open it up, it has the brown lining on the inside and the gold little key holders. I wanted this item hot stamped, but I wasn't able to get it hot stamped at the moment because it was in and out of stock for a while. And when I finally decided this was the one I wanted, because I did want the rose ballerine in the mono at first, but after like looking it up and doing research, everyone was having problems with the little front leather button coming undone, and the inside liner was pink, so it was getting dirty as well. So I finally decided on this print and this style because it was going to work better for me personally. So that's that. It has date code on the inside and the tags and all that good stuff in there as well. I'm really excited to use this. I don't know why. So the next item is probably my favorite. And this was the last item to arrive because I did get this item hot stamped. And it took a while because UPS wanted me to sign for it. And I was not here yesterday. I had to work. So let's get this undone. It has a big dust bag here, which I don't know why. And once we get in here, this is my first time seeing this one, you guys. I looked at all the other things, but this one just arrived. I threw on some makeup so I could do this unboxing. But it is my agenda. And oh, it smells so good. It smells like leather and expensive things and nice cars. So it has a little button detail on the front. And this is the size. I'm not sure if I told you guys that or not. And I did get this one hot stamped. It has my initials right there. It has the 6 rings here, a little flap on the side and all that good stuff. I cannot wait. I probably will be doing a video on how my agenda is set up and like a plan with me video. Because lately I just hadn't been into doing get ready with me makeup videos. So be on the lookout for that one. But yeah. This is my agenda, and I'm so excited. Like, I am a planner queen at heart, so this was a must for me. And I probably will be getting the PM or the GM in the same print because the agendas are cute in this print, particularly. The last item that I have, well, it's not the last item, but the last one in a box. Just this big guy right here. And let's get it open. This was the very first thing that I knew for sure that I wanted to purchase. And all the other stuff, I kind of just fell in love with it as I was browsing the website. But this was the reason that I was originally on the Louis Vuitton website to begin with. And it is the Speedy B35 bandolier, and it comes with a strap. When it comes, they have it bit down, so after a while the creases and stuff will fall out. But it has a red lining on the inside. It's so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. And it also has a strap on the inside, and you put that on and you can use it as a cross bag, which is good for mommies on the go. And I also decided to get this in the DE print as well because I didn't want the mono print because the mono has the vachetta on it, and I don't have time to be worrying about the vachetta starting to patina or getting watermarks on it, and I do have a toddler, so that was probably not a good choice for me, but I absolutely love this. And I wanted the 35 because it's kind of big, and you know, I could throw some snacks in there, iPad, you know, some good stuff for mom. And it also has the bag on the inside with the key and the lock. And I probably would just be throwing this on the side to accessorize my bag, not particularly to lock it up because I probably want to get in it in a hurry. But yeah, this is the bag that I purchased. And the strap. So put that back, and I have one last item to show you guys. I did not purchase this one brand new straight off the site. I did buy this pre-loved because buying this brand new was not an option unless you purchased a piece of luggage or a bag that it came with. But I wanted a luggage tag. So I purchased a luggage tag to hang on the side of my bag to accessorize, and I also got like a little fuzzy pom-pom to go on the side. I will probably be traveling to a Louis Vuitton store to get this item hot stamped because I would like for my initials to be on the very front of it. So that's that. And that is the last thing that I have for you guys today. I know that this video was super short, simple, and sweet, but I just wanted to pop in and show you guys some of my goodies that I purchased and to also make a video for my channel because it's been a while. And you know, I just wanted to let this be my interest back into the YouTube world. But I'm gonna try to be more consistent and more dedicated to my channel. That's one of my goals for 2019, to get back on YouTube and to do videos for you guys. So that would be all for you guys. I really thank you for watching and for coming by and hanging out with me. Like I said, if you want a little bit more detailed video, then let me know down below. But I just want this one to be something short, quick to the point, because honestly, I'm ready to play with my stuff. And I've also been at work all day. I came home, threw on some makeup to film this video for you guys. So that'll be all for today. Bye.